Hi, welcome to the third video on Sawyer. In this video, I'll be talking to you about how to switch between Intera and Intera SDK. For this tutorial, you need a keyboard so that you can open up the FSM and navigate through the FSM. Now, let's begin the tutorial. The first thing to do is to connect the keyboard to the robot. To do this, plug in the USB port to the outside USB port of the controller, not the ones inside. The ones inside are just used for debugging by a Rethink employee. The USB ports are covered by caps, so remove them so that you can see the USB ports. Make sure you connect the keyboard before you start up the robot. Now once you've connected the keyboard, start up the robot. Once this screen turns on, start pressing Ctrl F until you can see the FSM menu. Getting into the FSM might take a while, so do not assume that you didn't do it correctly. Also, if this screen didn't show up, the FSM didn't show up, you need to restart the robot and then start pressing Ctrl F again once the face shows up. Once you're in the FSM, go to Next Boot In option and then click on the SDK. Here you should see 3 different options. Select the one you want. If you do select FSM, that would mean that you would not need to press Ctrl F in the next boot. But if you'd like to go to SDK or Intera, then select the one you want. Once you've selected the one you want, then click on Reboot, or you can shut down, and the next time you boot, the robot will boot in the SDK or whatever you've chosen. You can see that after it's booted, it boots in Intera SDK. Therefore, you should know how to switch between Intera and Intera SDK. The next video, I'll be talking to you about setting up a workspace. This is needed so that you can use the robot in ROS.